Most time problems start because the task itself is too big. Write my essay isn't one task, it's 5. Study for math test could be 10. When your brain can't see a clear start or end, it can't estimate accurately. Try this instead. Chunk your work into steps that fit inside a 25 to 40-minute window. For example, outline, draft the intro, revise 1 paragraph, quiz 10 terms. Each small win gives you feedback about how long things really take. Then apply the 50 to 90 rule. Your 50 time is the amount if everything goes smoothly. Your 90 time adds a realistic buffer for delays. Plan with a 90 when deadlines matter. It's simple, but it keeps you honest. Finally, build in buffers between chunks. 5 minutes to stretch, hydrate, or transition. Buffers aren't wasted time. They're oxygen. They protect your focus from burnout. Which task today could you break into smaller steps? Where can you add a quick reset between them?